Love knows no boundaries, not even species. From cats and dogs to lions and deer, animals can show remarkable affection for one another. Whether it's a bond formed through shared experiences or just a simple affection, the love between animals is truly heartwarming. The motherly love of a cat nursing her kittens, to the loyalty of a dog following its owner, the love between animals is a testament to the power of affection. And even in times of hardship, animals have been known to come to each other's aid, offering comfort and support. So next time you're feeling down, just remember the love between animals. It's a reminder that love truly knows no boundaries.